Laser characteristics. Laser is a specific type of light sources or light generator. The word laser represents light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Laser is stand for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Characteristics of light produced by lasers. Monochromatic single wavelength. वो लाइट जो कि लेज़र से चार्ज होती है, डिस्चार्ज होती है, पैदा होती है, वो मोनोक्रोमेटिक होती है, उसकी एक ही वेवलेंथ होती है. कोहेरेंट इन फेज डायरेक्शनल नैरो कोन ऑफ डाइवर्जेंस. इनकैंडिसेंट लैम्प क्रोमेटिक इनकोहेरेंट नॉन डायरेक्शनल. मोनोक्रोमेटिक लाइट सोर्स कोहेरेंट नॉन डायरेक्शनल. द फर्स्ट माइक्रोवेव लेजर was made in microwave region in 1954 by Tonies and Shallow using ammonia as the lasing medium. The first optical laser was constructed by Mammon in 1960 using ruby aluminium oxide doped with dilute concentration of the chromium as the lasing medium and fast discharge flash lamp to provide the pump energy. Laser stimulated emission. When excited atoms, molecule ions undergo de-excitation from excited state to ground state, light is emitted. Types of light emission: spontaneous emission, chromatic and incoherent. Excited electrons when returned to ground state emit energy spontaneously called spontaneous emission. Photons emitted when electrons return from different excited states to ground state have different frequencies. Chromatic. Spontaneous emission happens randomly and require non-event to trigger the transition. Various phases are incoherent. Laser stimulated emission. Types of light emission. Stimulated emission. Monochromatic and coherent. While an atom is still in an excited state, one can bring it down to its ground state by stimulating it with a photon P1 having an energy equal to the energy difference of the excited state and ground state. In such a process, the incident photon P1 is not absorbed and is emitted together with the photon P2. The latter will have the same frequency or energy and same phase coherent as the stimulating photon P1. Laser uses the stimulated emission process to amplify the light intensity. As in the stimulated emission process, one incident photon P1 will bring about the emission of an additional photon P2, which is in turn can yield 4 photons, then 8 photons, and so on. Laser formation and conditions. The condition must be satisfied in order to sustain such a chain reaction. Population inversion P1 Pi is a situation that there are some atoms in a certain excited state than in the ground state. Pi can be achieved by a variety means: electrical, optical, chemical and mechanical. Examples: one may obtain Pi irradiating the system of atoms by an enormously intense light beam, or if the system of the atom is a gas, by passing an electric current through the gas. Presence of metastable state, which is the excited state that the excited electrons can have a relative long lifetime greater than 10 to the power raised to minus 8 second, in order to avoid the spontaneous emission occurring before the stimulated emission. In most lasers, the atoms, molecule, ions in the lasing medium are not pumped directly to a metastable state. They are excited to an energy level higher than a metastable state, then drop down to the metastable state by spontaneous non-radiative de-excitation. Photon confinement (PC). The emitted photon must be confined in the system long enough to stimulate further light emission from the other excited atoms. This is achieved by using reflecting mirrors at the end of the system. One end is made totally reflecting and the other end is slightly transparent to allow part of laser